saying that the youth today is weak and many other things, what are the other descriptions? Distracted, they're too entitled, etc. Has this reached you? Is this something that the youth are aware of, that you have a reputation?
Hindi po natatapos yung napakaraming descriptors to youth. And actually, kung babalikan natin yung kasaysayan, every generation of youth is subject to stereotypes like these, subject to expectations of the previous generation. I think a word I'd use no to describe anong nararanasan ng kabataan is burdened, pero definitely not weak. In fact, ang nakikita ko po ay malakas ang kabataan sa paano niya hinaharap yung sabay-sabay na lumalalang mga krisis na hinaharap ng lipunan ng Pilipinas at ng buong mundo. Just very briefly, Ma'am Corina, nandiyan yung educational crisis na even though no decades na natin kinakalampag, merong lumalabas na reports, for example ng EDCOM, no validating kung gaano kalala yung educational crisis now, na maraming patong-patong na requirements na hindi naman nakakaambag sa actual development and nakaka-burden, no? Yun ang feeling na naha-highlight sa mga students.